Fold the filter paper into 4 and place it so the side of the 3 folded squares faces the pouring spout. This makes sure your filter paper doesn't collapse or form a seal. Boil a kettle and leave this to sit for around 30 seconds. Soak your filter paper wet with warm water to get rid of any papery flavours and discard this water. Put your Chemex on your scales. Measure 30 grams of medium grind coffee. If you don't have any scales, use 2 V60 scoops and put the coffee in your filter. Make a little well in your ground coffee. This makes sure that the water hits all of the coffee evenly. Take your kettle and pour 60 millilitres, which is 60 grams of water over your coffee grounds. Leave them for 45 seconds and watch as they bloom. Then pour 240 millilitres of water onto your coffee grounds with a swirling motion, making overlapping circles with the water. Try to pour from 2 to 3 inches above the coffee. This will maximise the effect of the water hitting the coffee. Wait another 30 seconds while the liquid falls into the Chemex. Then pour another 200 millilitres of water over your coffee, again making overlapping circles with the water. Holding your Chemex carefully, use your hands and swirl the coffee with the water, making sure any coffee on the sides falls into the brew. Wait 3 to 4 minutes for the coffee to draw down. As the filter paper is thicker, it takes a few minutes, but you'll soon enjoy a clean, clear tasting coffee.